that door and that door. Go. Close your eyes.
21 degrees and sunny. Just the way I always wanted.
Yeah.
So what I got those eyes. 지금이 들어오면 좋아. 따스한 햇볕이 가득 담은 Sand River. The bluebirds peacefully sing along.
When did you get that?
Yeah, not living enough. Just pop, I'm taking a puff. I'm starting, I feel like it's us. Yeah.
Drunk or drunk.
We're drunk off that.
Our Dunkin' drive-thru order.
Crow.
I should have gotten a small because I could never finish a medium, but I got a small.
I don't know why I got a medium either.
Iced original coffee with 3 shots of butter swirl or butter pecan swirl or butter pecan, however you say it. 3 shots of blueberry swirl and then whole milk. Did you mix it?
No.
This brings me back to college because I would always get this when I do work. It's so good. I don't know why that one's back. This is the reality of coming back home from a long weekend and dealing with all of this. I have laundry that I did right before I left. I have to unpack still. I just have things scattered everywhere in my room and it's so disorganized and not clean. Today I want to tackle the laundry that I have to put away, my bags that I have to unpack. It's a mess in here. Beautiful stranger, every time everybody's home. quick breakfast before I start to clean. I need to do laundry today, and I also want to deep clean my room and my closet and my bathroom. Hopefully I can get to that today. It's not bad, but it's a little disorganized and not as clean as I want it to be. I started to pile things up in my closet, in my bathroom cabinets. It's just getting to a point where I really want to clean it. And once it's clean, I'll feel so much better. So I'm really looking forward to that. So good. Taking a quick break from cleaning and organizing. Just had lunch and made an iced brown sugar vanilla latte that I think I made in a few vlogs ago. You guys need to try it out if you haven't already because it's so good. A good coffee can really boost my mood. I'm currently organizing my pants because I have a lot and I kind of just stuffed them into this drawer once I was getting more and more. So it's not really organized. So I think I'm going to organize this drawer for denim. Then my other drawer will be like the rest of my pants. I don't do it as often as I should, but something about organizing your clothes, it makes me feel so much better and motivated to actually wear all my clothes. Because I feel like if I don't do it, I just gravitate towards pieces that I always wear, and I just want to wear more of the pieces that I have. I have so many pants that I don't wear that I want to wear, but it's like not organized for me to pick and like choose from. Be better at like not wearing the same stuff. Okay, I lied. I was able to fit everything into this drawer for now. And then when I do need more storage, I'll just separate them then. These are honestly not all my clothes. I have a bunch in my basement, but these are the ones that I wear most often. I have like my go-to denim here and then pants that I will usually wear. I have no idea what that sound is. I think someone's mowing the lawn. We did have some progress today in the whole cleaning, organizing the room. Tomorrow morning I'm definitely going to do more. I want to work on my closet, the bathroom cabinets, and just wiping down, cleaning the whole room, maybe vacuuming as well. It sounds like a lot, but I don't think it will take me too long, and the rest of the day I have to edit. I was gonna go to the gym but I hate how it gets so dark quickly. It just feels like the day is already ending, and it's only 4 and I already know that the sun's gonna set pretty soon. I'm debating if I go gym now before it gets too dark, or I just do a workout at home. I also got this today, which I ordered off of Amazon. It's their satin extra large heatless curling set. I think I'm gonna try this tonight, which I'm really excited for. It comes with a heatless curling rod and then 2 scrunchies. I feel like this will be very helpful if I want to have nice hair for the day, but not use heat or damage my hair. Try heatless curls tonight. I already opened it on TikTok. I wanted to redo it because I didn't do it as well, and I feel like it needs to be better for it to work. So we're gonna try it out again. Looks so crazy.
You look like Princess Leia.
No, I look like those in the old times, like the Korean queens, like their hair. That's what I look like. I have to sleep with this, and then it's supposed to give me like these curls, or like wavy curls, basically. I can't get over this hair look. I'm gonna do some more organizing because I have to put away some clothes, and I just have things on the floor still and it's bothering me, so I want to get it done before I can fully relax tonight.
근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어